Good morning, listeners, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. Today, let's start with the global markets where the flows are mixed. Investors are weighing the implications of higher taxes against the potential growth benefits of a spending program focused on infrastructure. Markets are also whipsawing on worsening news about the spread of COVID 19 in parts of the world and a mixed batch of earning reports. The Singapore Nifty was down more than 100 points when it opened today. However, now it is down about 50 odd points. Asian markets are recovering from lower levels. FI sold to the tune of 900 crores on Thursday, while domestic institutions have infused almost an equal amount. Derivatives data are indicating that the markets are going to remain in a broader range of 14,200 and 14,500 on the higher side. On Thursday, the Nifty has formed a bullish piercing pattern by closing above the median point of the previous day, I'm going to say of the closing of Tuesday, which was at 14,367. That can be found at the downtrend of a market, and whenever we see such type of formation, we see some reversal activity on the other side. So if we see the trend of last few days, then the bias is downward, market is drifting on the lower side, and after almost a fall of 10-12 days, now if we are seeing some reversal formation, then it is positive for the market. And based on that, our strategy should be to look for creating some short position if there is any lower opening. So 14,330, 14,350 would be major support for the market, and there we should look for adding some long positions. But for that, we need to keep a stop loss at 14,150, which was the lowest of the current sell-off. So 14,150 should be the final stop loss for creating any long positions, and as per formation we should look for adding some long position if there is any lower opening close to 14,330, 350 area. On the higher side, 14,530 and 14,580 would be major hurdles, and 14,450 on a immediate basis. So the overall entire corrective pattern is clearly indicating us that the market is in the range. It is falling, but it is falling gradually, and whenever it is into that specific trending mode, it follows 2-3 important levels. First one is 14,530, 550 on the higher side. Second one is 14,450 and 14,250 on the downside. So these are the levels where the actually market is spending more time, and today we need to see that whether the market manages to cross 14,450 or not, and above that 14,530. Yes, in case if we see the market manages to cross 14,580 in next few days, then certainly it will have more bullish implications. But currently the markets have already formed reversal formation, and based on that, today's move will decide a lot of things. On the other side, bank stocks did well. They outperformed in yesterday's trading sessions. Most of the financials, including Bajaj Finance, closed at the highest point of the day, and there we can expect further more activity. The Bank Nifty has managed to cross previous day's highest level of 31,550, 530, which is positive, and there certainly we are going to see further more outperformance, and that is why our focus should be on financials in today's date. Especially we like ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank and SBI. There we are seeing a lot of value, and they are available at their important crucial support areas. They have fallen more than 20-25 points, so it's a certainly buying opportunity in these stocks with a medium term view. We also like Hindalco, Jindal Steel and Power, as well as JSW Steel. The reason is because metal stocks are doing well and they are following to the global cues. So from that particular basket, already we mentioned these are the stocks on which we need to focus. And finally, because it's a weekly close, and we need to consider a broader range, so at least the market should not close below the levels of 14,190 in today's date. So the entire formation is still corrective, and that is why the market is following to the pattern of one day plus, one day minus. That's all from my side. With this, I am ending today's morning podcast. Thank you very much for listening in. Have a great day and nice weekend to all of you.